Love of mine, someday you will die, but I'll be close behind. I'll follow you into the dark, no blinding light, or tunnels to gates of white, just our hands clasped so tight, waiting for the hint of a spark. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the notes on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. In Catholic school, as vicious as Roman rule, I got my knuckles bruised by a lady in black. I held my tongue as she told me, son, fear is the heart of love. So I never went back. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. You and me have seen everything to see, from Bangkok to Calgary, and the soles of your shoes are all worn down. The time for sleep is now. It's nothing to cry about, 'cause we'll hold each other soon in the blackest of rooms. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the notes on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. And I'll follow you into the dark.
Hi guys, and welcome to this latest video by the Rock U School of Music. Today we're talking about I Will Follow You Into the Dark by Death Cab for Cutie. If you notice right here, we're capoed on the 5th fret. There's a couple of interesting rhythmic things going on in the song. And melodically, obviously, the song is brilliant. Ben Gibbard said the song just kind of was one of those songs that just came to him, kind of grabbed out of the thin air. You hear about kind of inspirational moments like that with like a lot of the best songwriters. So let's jump into this. So in the intro, you heard me playing this part, which is kind of. So let's talk about what the chords are first, right? I'm not going to name the chords what they, I'm just going to call the chords what they will be in the cowboy chords, open first position, okay? So A minor, C, F, C, G over B, A minor, C, G. Now he plays G this special way in this song. He doesn't play it with the first finger on the 5th or the pinky on the 1st. It's just kind of second finger on the 6th, third finger on the 2nd string, and he does not hit that open first string. So, okay. So then back to A minor, C, E major, A minor over G, F, F minor, and then back to C. So one thing that Ben Gibbard's doing in this song is that before each chord he's hitting the bass note or the root note of each chord. So you have A, down, up, down, up. C, down, up, down, up. F, down, up, down, up. C, G over B, A minor, C. On the G, he doesn't really hit the bass note. The G is just kind of going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. But that down, down, up, down, up is your basic strumming pattern in that part, okay? Heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied. Illuminate the notes on a vacancy signs. Okay, so you get a sense of how that fits in with the vocal right there, okay? Let's talk about what he's doing in the verse, because the verse is a little bit different. The verse, you kind of have this like country kind of thing going on, where it's just like C to C over G. You just take your third finger from the C chord and move it down to the same fret on the sixth string. Are you and I, right? Someday. So after that C to G, it's doing A minor, down, down, up, and hitting the 6th low E string after that. F, 6 to 5, 6 to 5, C, G. This is the verse, the A part of the verse. See how I'm moving back and forth between those 6th and 5th strings? Then you get back to that B part of the verse, which is actually this is the chorus and the intro too, right? So that's how verse 1 goes. Verse 1 and verse 2 are the same. And there's 3 verses. Verse 3 is actually the same until we get to the part where, let's see, it's, you and I. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm really bad with the lyrics, as you can see. So let me just play through that 3rd verse. You and me, seen everything to see, from Bangkok to Calgary, and the soles of our shoes all worn down. Time for sleep is now. There's nothing to cry about, 'cause we'll hold each other soon. This is the part that's different about the 3rd verse. In the blackest of rooms. Is that for 6? Sorry about that bad note. I'm not really a singer anyway, so watch. In the blackest of rooms. So you do blackest of on the A minor to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then back to the B part of the B part of the verse. Heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied. Right? Illuminate the nose, the vacancy sign. If there's no one beside you in your soul box, I will follow you into the dark. Now here's this little thing that he slaps onto the end, like this. So in that last verse, let's talk about how that last 3rd verse has that addendum to it. So, blackest of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heaven, right, this thing again. Just like normal. up, down, up, down. Going between the C and the G over B. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Stop on the A minor. Then he whispers a few final words. I will follow you into the dark. I want to talk about one final thing. In the verses, the rhythm is kind of funky. This is kind of how I'm hearing it. Like down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. You and I. That's it's a little bit more than just like that would be a basic real cowboy country thing, right? This is more like it's got a little more nuance to it. Yeah, so check out this song. It's great. It's one of my favorite Death Cab for Cutie songs. So I hope this has been helpful. If you guys want to suggest any other videos, just leave them in the comments below. Please take a second to subscribe right now if you're not a subscriber. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you for the next video.